over here. So from here, I'm gonna set that down. We're gonna grab the lid. So we close the lid on top, leave a little bit of room on this, so just about, I would say about halfway. Just find a little bit of even ground. Just push all the way down. Make sure you're even all the way too. And honestly, you have good drinking water right there. That looks pretty clean off rip, look. I mean, you could drink it just like this. It's pretty good. Oh my goodness. Some more of that glacier.